Hey, show us your lunch.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. That's a delicious lunch.
I tell you, Xander was the...
Are you gonna eat it?
Bear. I get some soup. I get some soup. Oh. I just missed.
Did you roast the bear?
I just missed.
Oh, you missed. Nom 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 nom. Is it tasty?
Yes, I have to put it away so I can fill my food.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Okay.
What are you doing? What you doing, Rissa Boo?
I just cleaned your door.
Oh, you're cleaning my door?
This is all messy.
Oh, it's all messy? What'd I do to it?
I'm just cleaning your door for you now, Xander.
Yeah.
Oh, I cleaned Xander's door.
Oh, are you gonna clean Xander's door now?
I can't clean your door and go. Oh.
I see you missed a spot. There you go.
I was making what?
Oh, no, please don't make me wet. Is it fun? You like helping Dad wash the car?
Yeah, I have to clean all this up.
Wait, you're done. I thought you were going to be in my way.
You're gonna get sprayed with the hose otherwise.
Here you go. Clean it. Put feet in there.
You don't want to put your feet in there. It's supposed to be a bath for the car, not for you. What do you think, Xander?
Here you go.
Well, you're not even looking.
I just stopped.
Oh, you just stopped?
I'm just telling you how to wash it now.
You did wash it just now.
What's that, too? What's that?
What?
What's that flying over me?
I'm just a fly or a bird or something.
Fly up high. You get that for me. And
Birds fly up high, Dad. That was not high enough for a bird.
Dad, I need it.
Working on it.
Keep it aimed at the slide.
Can't hit anybody.
Good job. What else do you want to clean today? Nuh-uh, keep it over
I
there.
need something to clean on.
Something to...
Dad, give me something to clean on.
He's gonna give you something else to clean, huh?
How about that?
You gonna clean your bike?
Oh, hey, come here.
Good job, honey. Take care of your bike.
Okay. Now I have to spray it. Now I have to spray it.
Okay.
Put a line in it.
Okay. What are you doing, Xander? Who's that little baby in the mirror? Look at them little chubby legs. Look at them chubby little legs. Who's that baby? Who's that baby in the mirror, huh? Hi, Tinker. Who is that? Huh? Who is that? Oh, I'm getting a little rocky there. Oh, don't let go. Boop. Down on the butt.
Now it's time for jumping jacks. Now. You have to sit it. You have to sit, Mommy.
Let's put on our jumping shoes. Jumping shoes. Jumping shoes. Let's put on our jumping shoes.
Okay. Now it's on the Lego. Like a baby. Now let's take this one again.
Careful. You're getting dizzy.